Alright, looks like there's an update 2024.33.15 which contains minor fixes and improvements. So it might be because the self-driving, sometimes it like hugs the lane and stuff. I've had where, like, if you know on the freeway they have those rumble strips, so if you're like falling asleep you'll wake up and stuff. It goes on those. I'm like, what is it doing? And the other thing is, it never, like, it doesn't like to go to the top speed. If you set a top speed, it doesn't go to it, and it'll stay like going below the speed limit a lot of the time. I don't know, maybe it can't see clearly, or I don't know what, but for some reason it doesn't like to go the speed limit. Or if you set a higher top speed, it won't do it unless you like push the pedal and then you let go, and then it'll kind of go and it'll gradually slow down. So let's see if this update helps with that. So we got that, we're going to install now. Okay, and we're just going to do this to start it right away. There we go. Alright, so we'll let it run. You can see software updating to 2024.33.15. So we'll let it go. It's going to run for quite some time, and then we'll take a look when it's ready. What is going on? The truck's updating and now it's making some weird noises. Why is it doing that? Stop it. What is happening? Is that audible outside? What the heck is happening? Is it because I'm in here? Is that supposed to be its alarm? I don't know what's going on. Well, hopefully it stops once the update's almost done. I don't know what it's doing. What is going on? How's my dad still sleeping through this? What is happening? Let me see what happens if I go outside the car. What does it sound like? Oh, it's quieter outside the car. Actually, what the heck? It's like the sound is coming from a certain area of the truck. Is it coming from the under speaker? No. What? It's inside. What is happening? Oh, the wheel's going. Do lights turn on? Nope. The truck's broken now. We're stranded. We're stuck here now. What happened? What is happening now? It's like buzzing under here. What is going on with this update? Better not be stuck like this forever all night. Okay, there we go. What? Be quiet. What is that? Stop it. What is happening? Updating electronic control units. Driving and charging disabled. Do not drive until complete. Why is it still beeping? Why is the right speaker beeping like that? What is happening? Oh no, stop. Now both of them are going again. Good thing I'm at a close gas station where there's not a lot of people. Air conditioner's going on and off. It's beeping louder and switching the speakers. Oh my goodness. Good thing, if I was home and I ran this update at like 1 a.m., oh my god. What the heck? What is this? I don't know what's going on. The Cybertruck's updating and it's beeping like crazy. It won't shut up. I just noticed the update also shows on the back screen. What the heck is it doing? Hurry up and shut up already. I'm hearing stuff going, clicking. This beeping needs to stop. What is happening? Hurry up already. Beeping finally stopped. Oh my goodness, but it's still updating. That means it might start doing it again. What kind of update is this? Oh no, don't do it. Okay, the steering wheel woke up. It's locked again. And it's still updating. And a train is coming. What is going... Okay. I hope this update better have done something good. Minor bug fixes and all this. Beep, 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 beep. Good thing I didn't wait till it was like crowded and busy over here. Finishing update. Driving is disabled. Do not drive until complete. Alright, looks like it's updating and rebooting now. So it should be just about done. Alright, looks like it's still updating. It says it's rebooting again. It already rebooted. I don't know. Is it rebooting again? The GPS was talking, and I don't know. I probably have to hold the 2 scroll wheels to do a full reboot again just to be safe. Sometimes after the updates, doing that reboot is good. It looks like, okay, it restarted with all my stuff. And is it going to pop up to show the release notes? I don't know. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'll give it some time, and if it does, I'll be back. Okay, it did pop up. So here we go. So this is what we have now. FSD supervised 12.5.5.2. Okay, so what did it do? Upgrade city street driving stack single blah blah blah. Okay, replace over 300,000 lines of C++ code. Nothing's new here, right? Includes vision-based sunglasses or upcoming improvements, earlier and more natural. Okay, earlier more natural lane change decisions, improved performance in parking lots, improved performance at intersection and stops, and introduction of speed profile. Okay, so it's not here yet, it says it's coming, right? There's an early access build. You and anyone you authorize to use must use additional caution and remain attentive. It does not make your vehicle autonomous. Do not become complacent. Right? Nothing else is new. It's the same stuff here. Yep. Same stuff. Okay. Nothing is really new. So anyways, I'm going to do the 2 scroll wheel reset. So there's 2 scroll wheels. Press them both at the same time and hold it down. And it should eventually shut off. There you go. And we'll let it reboot. And that's good enough. I'm going to sleep now, but that's the update. Yeah, if you run the update on yours and yours starts going crazy, beeping nonstop, I guess that's normal. If yours goes beeping nonstop, let me know so I know mine's not just crazy and messed up, because I've never had an update do that before. On my Model Y, on the Cybertruck, any of them. That was really weird. Okay, so it's resetting. And hopefully it will be good. The AC's doing stuff, moving the vents around.
In 500 feet, turn right to take the Interstate 40 West ramp toward Gallup.
Anyways, as you can see, it finished. It reset itself. Did it? It killed my music now? Oh, it's probably still loading because there's no internet. Okay, so it reset itself now, and the GPS stuff is still there. So it should be good. Alright, we'll drive it tomorrow and we'll see if there's any difference. But for now, that's the update. It was doing some weird beepy beepy beepy. That was very strange. So yeah, if yours does that, I guess don't panic. It's gonna eventually stop. But if you haven't started your update and you're planning to get it, or if it pops up, keep that in mind, that your truck might start beeping nonstop. So don't do it someplace where people are gonna get annoyed by that beeping sound. Right? It's pretty loud. Alright, there we go. See you guys in the next one. Bye.